This is how to transfer an investment account from ATB Financial to Wealthsimple. Once you guys open up Wealthsimple, go to the bottom, select the third option or the arrows that are pointing in opposite directions. Once that is done, scroll down to the bottom here to where it says Accounts, and then press Transfer Account to Wealthsimple. Right in the middle it says Get Started, press that. Now, once you're here under Most Popular, you're probably not going to see ATB Financial. If it's not here, no problem. Or to search for your institution, start typing in ATB Financial, and then select it. Once you're here, you can then select the type of account you are transferring. So there's some popular accounts, retirement accounts, etc. Let's say, for example, you're transferring a TFSA account. You would then select it and then press Next. Once you're here, you're going to be asked about the account number as well as some other questions. So just go ahead and fill that information in. And once that is done, that is going to be, the final steps for you to transfer the account over. So that is how you guys can transfer an investment account over from ATB Financial to Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.